Alrighty, here we are again. This is level 5 on find a missing coordinate using slope RFP on your IXL code for 8th grade. And this is Mr. Kane. Let's get started. So we have a line with a slope of 10 ninths. So now we have some improper fractions. Once you hit the 90 mark, you got improper fractions that you've got to deal with. And your points are V6 and -1, -4. And then when you get to the 90, you're now dealing with negatives in your ordered pairs. So that's a little tricky. But let's do it the same way. Let's do it the same way. So let's use our equation of a line, right? We have y equals mx plus b. So let's plug in what we know. We know the slope. It's 10 ninths. Do we know? Let's see. We have y is -4. We have our slope is 10 ninths. We have our x is -1. So we're going to do -1/1. And we're solving for b. Okay, we're going to put -4 equals, let's multiply across, so we'll get -10 ninths plus b. Then, to get rid of our -10 ninths, we have to use algebra, do the opposite operation. So let's add 10 ninths to both sides. Add 10 ninths to this side. This will be gone, and we'll be left with b on the left, b equals, and let's do our math up here. We have -4/1 plus 10 ninths. So we know how to do this, right? We have to get common denominators. 9 is the denominator. So 1 times 9 gives you 9. So -4 times 9 is -36. Okay, so now that we have common denominators, we can combine our numerators. We have -26 ninths is our b. So b equals -26 ninths. All right, these are a little bit more tricky, aren't they? So b is -26 ninths. -26 ninths. So let's do this again. Y equals mx plus b. But this time we're going to use this ordered pair. So let's go at it again. We have 6 is our y, so let's put that there. Slope is 10 ninths. This time, though, our x is v. So let's put that there. And we know our b, we just figured it out, right? It's a -26 ninths. Okay, so to solve, we need to get rid of this, and we need to get rid of this. Let's start with our -26 ninths. We're going to add 26 ninths to both sides. Add 26 ninths to this side. This will be gone. And now we just need to do 6 plus 26 ninths. So the more you practice this, the better you'll get. It probably gives you nightmares because you probably think back to 4th, 5th grade when you had to do a lot of these. It's one of the most difficult things I find that students have trouble with. So 6/1 plus 26 ninths. So we have common denominator of 9. So 1 times 9 is the 9, and 6 times 9, 6 times 9, 9 times 6 is 54. So 54 ninths and 26 ninths. Now we can add our numerators. We're going to add 54 and 26. We're going to get 80 ninths. 80/9. So after doing all that, we have, let me clear this up a little bit. Okay, so I cleaned it up a little bit. And now we have 80 ninths equals 10 ninths v. We need to divide both sides by 10 ninths. So 80/9 divided by 10/9. So I cleaned up my space, and let's do that right up here. Let's do it in blue. Let's do 80 ninths divided by 10 ninths. 10/9. And we do this by You guessed it, keep, change, flip. Yep, it's keep, it's change, it's flip. So we keep it the same, we change it, and we flip this last fraction. So if it's 10 over 9, it's going to be 9 over 10. So let's do that. Let's erase this and make it 9 tenths. Okay? Make it 9 tenths. 9 over 10. Okay, so 80 times 9. Well, 9 times 8 is 72, so this is going to be 72 with a 0. And 9 times 10 is 90. And I could divide by 10. Let's knock this 0 off. And 72 divided by 9, well, I know that 9 times 8 is 72. So my answer is going to be V equals 8. Let's put that in there and see how we did. 8V equals 8 and click submit.